Blind Spot Assist, BSA, is an advanced driver assistance system that uses radar sensors to monitor the areas beside your Ford Explorer EV, alerting you to vehicles in your blind spots. This helps prevent accidents when changing lanes or merging. It's part of Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite. BSA uses radar sensors mounted on the rear bumper to monitor areas adjacent to the vehicle, typically 3 to 10 feet away. Blind Spot Assist enhances safety by warning you of vehicles you might not see in your blind spots. However, there might be situations, such as off-road driving, where the system could generate false alerts due to uneven terrain. Disabling it in such situations can prevent unnecessary distractions. Note: always re-enable BSA for normal driving conditions. To access the BSA settings, use your Ford Explorer EV's touchscreen. Navigate to the Settings menu, then select Driver Assist. Look for Blind Spot Assist in the list of options. This is usually found within the Co-Pilot 360 menu. Once you've located the Blind Spot Assist option, you'll see a toggle switch. To enable BSA, simply tap the switch to the on position. A visual confirmation, the BSA icon, will appear on the instrument cluster when active. To disable BSA, follow the same steps to access the Settings menu. Tap the toggle switch to the off position. The BSA icon on the instrument cluster will disappear, indicating that the system is deactivated. Remember to re-enable it when you're back in normal driving conditions. For added convenience, you can also enable or disable BSA remotely using the Ford Pass app. Navigate to the Vehicle section, then find the Driver Assist settings. The BSA toggle will be available there, allowing you to adjust it from your smartphone. Be aware that BSA has limitations. It may not detect motorcycles, bicycles, or objects below the sensor height. Environmental factors like heavy rain can also affect radar performance. Always check your surroundings before changing lanes, even with BSA enabled. The system deactivates below 6 mph to avoid unnecessary alerts in low-speed maneuvers.